Congratulations! Learning about the Lotus Sit-Stand Workstation means you are one step closer to a healthier you. We are going to show you how to route your cords through the convenient cord management system so you can conquer your tangled cords. Your Lotus comes with a cable zip and magnetic cord funnel that can be used with the built-in cord channel. Let's start by raising your Lotus to the highest setting. Now, set up all of your equipment and accessories. If your keyboard or mouse have cords, route them through the opening on the platform and anchor using the clips underneath the platform. Then guide the cords through the cord channel to the back of the Lotus. Pull the cords through the opening and snap the cord funnel into place. Gather all of your cords in the cord funnel. Now it's time to apply the cable zip. Clamp the tool around the cords. Make sure the arrow on the tool is facing up. Push the cable zip upward over the tool until it begins to wrap itself around the cords. Hold the top of the cable zip and guide the tool downward. Slide the top end of the cable zip into the cord funnel and admire the complete cord containment. Take a stand against sitting with the most convenient, easy-to-use sit-stand workstation, the Fellowes Lotus.